Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm coming in with a quick DIY video. The DIY for today is tomato cages. So yeah, today we're making a planter stand out of a tomato cage. Okay, so here we have my tomato cage. It's 54 inches. I think it's 54 inches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prune back, or try to pry back just this corner piece right here. So I'll just be taking this off. So I'm gonna pry the legs off. I got these pliers. I'm gonna just try to pry back these legs, just the ends of them off. Let's see if that works or not. I might can do this with my hand. Okay, so the legs are all you want to take off, not the whole thing, just the edge of these, this from here on up. All right, now that we got the legs, the stakes off, we got all 4 of them off, we can go ahead and spray paint. Oh. So now I'm just go in with this crystal, I guess, to try to seal in the blue spray paint. Wow. Okay, so this is a old plant-based stand, like a little stand that you sit on the ground, put your pots on top. So I'm going to turn it upside down. There we go. And I'm going to let my husband use his muscles to put it in there so it can be tight. But I'm going to put it in here upside down so it can hold a small enough pot. Like if I had a pot that fit just right, it'll fit perfectly. Just pop it in. But the pot that I have is much smaller. This will hold, you know, the plant from going through. It'll keep the plant in. And I think it's so cute. As far as like adding an extra touch of decorativeness. Is that a word? Or extra decoration. Right. And you can actually do a lot with these. I've seen a lot of cute DIYs with these, but mine is just going to be pretty simple. We're going to prune off the legs of these tomato cages. So from here up, we're going to prune these off and just spray paint it. And you got a simple, easy DIY planter. And I'm pretty sure if you would have found this in a store, you already know, like some stores, it's like you look at it and be like, I can make that, and they selling it for $60. So you can definitely do this. It's quick and easy. You can make it how you want. You can add wood to it. I've even seen one where you can add multiple layers to it, like say for instance like the Dollar Tree baskets, hanging baskets. You can get 3 of those and just hang them from each tier. So you can hang it from here, here, and here, and you have like a 3-tier standing basket stand. You can even probably put like some type of top or like plate to give it decoration, or a piece of wood, whatever aesthetic look that you're going for. This is very versatile. You can dress it up or down. You can dress it up or down however you want. But that is it, you guys. I hope this inspired someone to go out and open up their creativity. Let me know if you guys try this. Cool little simple elevated planter stand. I love it. I'm definitely gonna make some more. Definitely gonna make some more for my house. But yeah, that's it, you guys. See you guys later. Let's go out and sow a seed. Bye.